One of the most confusing things when I started to use Roam was the daily notes page. But once I understood how it was intended to be used, it instantly became the center of my day-to-day operations and has remained so ever since. Simply put, if my Roam graph was a tree, the daily notes page would be the trunk that holds it all together and from which everything else branches out. Here's a simple way to start putting your daily notes page to use and getting into the habit of using it regularly. First, click on the Daily Notes tab in the left sidebar. As you progress through the day and come across things you would like to add to your graph, click in the block, create a timestamp by pressing / and selecting current time, then write down a short summary of whatever it is you are about to add within that parent block. When you are done, hit return, indent underneath this block by hitting tab, and now add all the details. Continue to do this throughout the day and you will have something like this. The beauty of inputting things into the daily notes page like I have just demonstrated is that you no longer need to think about where to put things within your graph, which saves so much time and energy. As long as you write the things you find important in these square brackets, everything from that block and the indented blocks underneath will now self-organize and can be found within the linked references of a given page. Why this way of working is so amazing? I will explain this soon in another tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, as there will be more to come very soon. Thanks for watching.